As you may already know from my prior videos, this year is Grand Seiko's 55th anniversary of the 44GS case, which first appeared in 1967 and was the first ever expression of the uniquely Japanese Grand Seiko style. While we did have two other limited edition offerings in the SLGH009 and the SLGA013, this third limited edition offering has largely gone under the radar. It is the SBGJ255. And although it does look simple, this may be the most unique of all three options. It has one feature that you may have been waiting for, plus is one of the only titanium 44GS case options that exists. But will this piece just glide under the radar and be forgotten, or will it be a sought-after fan favorite once people notice? Let's find out. What's up everyone, it's Chris with the Little Treasury channel. Welcome back. This is where we bring you awesome watch content at least once a week. If you haven't already, please make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be alerted as soon as we upload. I'm from Little Treasury Jewelers, which is located in Gambrills, Maryland. It's where you go when you're in the know. As always, the watches that I review are for sale and can be purchased, so please see the description below to contact us. If you're just joining us now, I'll go over the watch's detailed measurements and features, and then I'll offer my humble opinion at the end. In our last video, we took a new route and added a Frederic Constant monolithic manufacture piece to our channel. This one has a very innovative movement and is one that you may really enjoy if you love the spring drive, since the second hand actually moves in the same manner. I recommend everyone checking this one out and giving Frederic Constant a chance. Wrist check time. Today I'm wearing my Oris Aquis Clipperton limited edition, which I took off the rubber strap and I installed a titanium bracelet on it, and I really enjoy wearing it. This one I wore at my wedding, so it's very special for me. Now tell me which watch you're wearing while you're watching the video, and make sure to tell me why. Now let's get on to the features. The SBGJ255 has a 44GS case that's made out of Grand Seiko's high-intensity titanium, which is an alloy of titanium, niobium, and iron, and is approximately 100 Vickers harder than stainless steel. It has a 39.6mm case width, a 14.2mm thickness, a 46.1mm lug-to-lug, an 18.8mm lug width, a 33.2mm crystal diameter, and weighs in at 106.4 grams. The case is the 44GS case, which has broad flat planes on the sides of Zaratsu finish and small matte areas on the inside of the lugs. The sides of the case have a small area of matte finish with more Zaratsu beneath. The crown has GS on it and is screwed down. The bezel is Zaratsu finished and sits slightly above the case with a sapphire crystal that protrudes above the bezel to help protect it from scuffs. The dial is white, and it actually does have a texture, which is a more subtle version of the Soko series bamboo dial. The markers are rectangular, and a double marker can be found at the 12 position with black minute ticks in between each marker. An even numbered grade with arrows for the odd numbers can be found along the chapter ring in blue. For the GMT hours, the GS logo can be found uniquely in blue at the top middle portion, with Grand Seiko in black beneath. The hour and minute hands are Dauphine style and have something very special in the center of them, which we will discuss later. The GMT hand is in blue with an arrow at the tip. The date window can be found at the 3 position with a silver frame and a white background with black numerals. Automatic, high beat, and 36,000 can be found in black at the bottom middle portion with GMT in blue below it. All right, here it is, guys. Lume can be found on all markers besides the 3. And on the hour, minute, and GMT hands, something many of you have been waiting for. The case back is open and shows off a very unique rotor that is in a gold color that is achieved through a process of anodic oxidation, in which the metal is subjected to electrolysis so as to generate an oxide film. Titanium oxide film produces color according to the light refraction index, enabling production of different colors by varying the thickness of the oxide film. The movement is the high beat 9S86 caliber, which functions at 36,000 beats per hour, has a 55-hour power reserve, and is accurate from losing 3 to gaining 5 seconds per day. It uses a special Sprawn ally for the mainspring and hairspring to allow it to achieve a 55-hour power reserve while beating at 36,000 beats per hour. The bracelet is a standard 5-link design, but is also made out of titanium. It has matte large links with Zaratsu polished smaller links. A folding clasp with the GS logo can be found at the end with no micro adjust. The SBGJ255 is limited to 1,200 pieces worldwide, is 100 meter water resistant, and can be yours for $8,500. Now for my humble opinion. This is a total sleeper watch, and although it is subtle, it really is a looker, and the small details set it apart from the rest. The blue GS logo is totally unique, and the dial does actually have a texture on it, although you have to hold it very close to your eye to see it. The Zaratsu finish on the 44GS case in titanium is very impressive and is a testament to the skill that the Grand Seiko watchmakers utilize. And this piece is a GMT and titanium, which will make it an ideal travel companion and a good daily use case. The beautiful yellow rotor is just a bonus and symbolizes everything you get in this watch, which is a subtle, under the radar look, but shocking features if you look closely or flip it over. I'll recommend this piece to anyone who is looking for a special and rare Grand Seiko piece that looks sharp, will be one that is more subtle but unique if you actually look at it, and can be a perfect companion for daily life or travel. Thanks for watching today, everyone. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. And of course, if you did, please make sure to smash that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share with all of your friends and your family members too. I look forward to seeing you next video.